Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to calculate addition in Google Sheets on computer. So how to calculate addition in Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. You can see here that I have prepared a table that will be calculated for the sum. I will immediately calculate the sum from this data. Direct the cursor to the first column of the results. And tap. Next, type equals. Type the sum formula. And type open brackets. Enter the number by tapping on the first column. Type plus. Enter the addition number by tapping the second column. Close brackets. And tap enter. You can see the results. Next, if here there are three values or three columns that will be calculated for the sum. Type equals. Type the sum formula. And type open brackets. Enter by tapping on the first column. Type plus. Enter the addition number by tapping the second column. Type plus. Enter the addition number by tapping the third column. Type close brackets. And tap enter. Now you can see the results. So that's it, tutorial how to calculate addition in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.